Want to speak real English from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at EnglishClass101.com. Want to speak real English from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at EnglishClass101.com. Excuse me, I'd like to take a look at a book on that shelf.
Which book would you like?
The one about cars.
One moment, please. This one?
Yep, that's right.
Here you go. What are you going to order?
The pizza looks delicious. I think I'll go with that.
I had pizza yesterday, so
Okay then, what about the hamburger?
sounds good. I'll go with that.
Hello, how can I help you?
What time do you close today?
We close at 6 o'clock, but please come in before 5:30.
Okay, thank you. The weather was great today. I went swimming this afternoon at the pool, and I went to a movie in the evening. I also studied all morning. Today wasn't bad.
This is a photo of the soccer team your son is on, isn't it? Which one is your son?
This one.
Oh, he's the tallest one.
Yep, he's even taller than the coach.
Why don't we go see a movie on Saturday?
Yes, I'd love to, but I have to work a shift in the morning.
What time will you finish?
I'll finish at 2 o'clock.
Then let's meet up at the cafe at 3 o'clock and see a movie at 4 o'clock.
Okay.
Which shirt do you think is better? The white one or the blue one?
Well, I think the blue one is better. It goes well with this gray jacket.
You think so? But it doesn't go so well with this red tie, does it?
Well, that's true.
Okay, then I'll take the white one, not the blue one. Excuse me, could I have the value meal, please?
Sure thing. Which do you want? French fries or salad?
French fries.
Okay. What will you have to drink?
Coke, please.
Today we're baking a cake. First, mix butter and sugar. Then add 2 eggs and mix them well. Add flour and mix it a little bit. Put it in the oven and bake it for 50 minutes. That's it.
What do you want to do today?
I want to go see a movie.
Okay, I want to watch the baseball game on TV.
Also, I want to go shopping.
The baseball game starts at 1 o'clock.
Okay, so let's see the movie first, and then you can watch the baseball game.
All right, then we'll go shopping in the evening.
I didn't really understand today's class.
I see. What was confusing?
Several things. Do you have time now?
Actually, I'm a little busy. Could you come to my office in the afternoon? I'll be there from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m.
Okay, I'll be there at 2 p.m.
Would you like to have coffee or dessert after the meal?
What desserts do you have?
We have pudding and apple pie.
Actually, I'll just have coffee.
Do you want cream or sugar?
Cream, please.
Hey, really sorry, but it looks like I'll be 30 minutes late.
Okay, I'll wait for you at the cafe.
Cafe? Where is it?
It's next to the bookstore. There's a bakery across from the cafe.
Okay. Have you already planned for the summer vacation?
Not yet. I'm thinking about going to the sea or the mountains.
I'm going to the beach with some friends. We're going surfing.
Sounds nice.
Why don't you come with us?
Wow, sure. Thanks. Oh, I'm hungry.
Did you eat anything for breakfast?
Yes, I did, but only a little.
What did you eat?
I had yogurt and coffee.
That's not enough. You'll need some bread and fruit, too.
Excuse me, where are the children's clothes?
They're on the 5th and 6th floors.
Do you also have baby clothes?
Yes, they're on the 6th floor. We have a lot there.
Thank you very much. I'll go and have a look there. Your birthday is really soon, isn't it?
Yep, it's the day after tomorrow.
How old are you going to be?
I'm turning 60.
Congratulations. We should celebrate.
Thank you very much. It's kind of you to say.
Wow, this blue skirt and that white skirt. I like them both.
The white skirt is really popular right now.
The blue one's a bit expensive, too.
Well, that's true, but it suits you.
I can't afford both. I'll take the white one.
An excellent choice. Thank you very much. The party's tomorrow.
Who's coming?
Well, the two of us, two friends of mine, and my pottery teacher.
That will make 5 then.
Oh, well, my teacher's also bringing his wife.
Wow, a big party then.
Your new bed. It's huge.
Yep, I can't put it by the door.
Let's put it at the other end of the room.
Shall we put it in the middle?
No, let's put it in the corner.
Okay, sounds good. Can you help me lift it?
Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.